And I always like to turn on my fire in here. That always makes it nice and cozy out in this. Hey you guys.
Hi guys. Hi sisters.
We've been having so much fun and unloading all that wood.
Look at the blizzard we're going in. Yeah! Oh, somebody slid off already. Sure weird to see. All torn down.
I gotta do my green drink and head to bed. And hello Momma O fans, look at the weather. Today it is cold. A little bit of snow mixed with the rain. Ooh. Well, let's see what today brings. They had some high winds, 70 miles per hour in one of the canyons. Well, we got the greenhouse covered. So that is good. I mean, closed up. The plant's tucked in there. It's about 41 degrees right now. Hope we don't lose our blossoms and everything. Well, let's get inside. No wind now. That flag is still. Wow, crazy weather. And I always like to turn on my fire in here. That always makes it nice and cozy out in this room, the old carport room. Used to be carport. Oh man, it is sure rainy and cold. What's today? April 14th today. It won't be running outside. It's still kind of a snow mix, rain. The mountains are getting the snow, and I'll be running inside today. I just run around here inside the house. It goes all the way around in a circle like this. Around and around and around. And then I just change directions about every 2 or 3 times around. Okay, still rainy and cold and miserable outside. And Papa wants to go to Costco. That rhymes. I gotta put this machine out and put this one in and see how it works. I just picked that up from the shop. Get that fixed. I gotta make sure I always have a backup here. Wow, it's been raining all day. My goodness, off and on. We had some big thunderstorms, and my brother Brad, he went down to Judy's house and slept overnight, and he had to drive in slush. I'll put a video there. I'll put a video up of him doing that. And hey you guys.
Hi guys. Hi sisters.
We've been having so much fun and unloading all that wood.
Yeah, that was fun.
That took us, what, 40 minutes?
50
minutes at Jesse and Joel's. And it was kind of fun. Brad got us in a line like we used to do when we were young, you know, at the farm. And we just passed the wood that way.
Yeah, we even got Brianne to help.
Yeah, Brianne even helped.
With her little hands.
Because Joel wasn't home from work yet, and Tanner was at a tennis match. So we were pretty busy, and I got a good workout. I didn't even have to do aerobics when I got home. And I made Brad some fudge.
Yeah.
And we're having, and Connie's gonna have some too. And maybe Sheldon if he wants.
Yeah.
And I'm making creamed eggs over toast. And I'm gonna cook up some sausage patties.
Ooh.
So we're gonna have fun. It's been so fun, Brad.
Yummy.
And we stayed up late watching
Perry Mason.
Yeah, James's News and Perry Mason.
Yeah.
Yeah. So love you guys, and Lisa, we'll be praying for you. Love you.
Okay, bye. Look at the blizzard we're going in. Yeah! Oh, somebody slid off already. This is in Nephi. Sheldon is our experienced driver. Connie's enjoying the ride. Oh, they didn't slide off. They just pulled off. Easy shit. Easy, Connie. It used to be in our Draper Ward. Gave him $1 million an acre. Here's the... I don't know why they haven't tore this house down. That's weird. Used to have horses there. Anyway, there it is. Pretty crazy. Sure weird to see. All torn down.
Oh, it's just crazy weather. But we'll go get Papa O and say our good nights. Oh, and my brother's wife, she had an operation today on. They found a spot on her lung, and they went and operated, got it out, and found out it's a malignant cancer. But they said it's really curable, and she may not need chemotherapy. So that's all good news. So we were worried about her today and giving her prayers. I gotta do my green drink and head to bed. We got Papa O down here to do our quotes. Did you find one?
Yep.
And we got to go to Costco and then get KFC after. So that was fun. Fun little outing date.
Eventually, all things fall into place.
Eventually.
Until then, laugh at the confusion, live for the moments, and know everything happens for a reason.
Oh, I like that. So if you're in confusion right now, just wait.
Because it might get worse.
No, it'll get better.
Oh.
Okay, when you get in a tight place and everything goes against you till it seems as though you could not hang on a minute longer, never give up then, for that is just the place and time that the tide will turn.
Seriously.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a used one. A single sunbeam is enough to drive away many shadows.
It's true.
Beautiful.
That is true. And let's see. Remember, look for the rose. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, and let's see what tomorrow brings. Thank you and good night.
You're welcome.